nothing at all. I was breathless.
Hey everybody, I'm singing Almost Love by Jessica Jarrell. And I'm a little sick, so ignore my crappy voice. Race home, open the door, run upstairs to my bag on the floor. Log on, 2 seconds later, I get a message from you saying, hey baby, been going crazy, thinking about you all day. So much to tell you, boy, I feel the same way.
Can't wait to see you.
Just you and I, cause every night I'm thinking what it would be like. I get a rush, more than a crush, almost love. Make me feel high every time I think about us. There's your friend. Even though we talk every day, I still can't get enough. I'm gonna post, gonna close, almost love. I'm 5'6", you're 5'10", 14, 15. Talk 24/7, 34, 24, 36. Talk 24/7, forever, LOL, and I. 24/7, G2GXOX, 24/7. Give you my number, you call. We were both nervous and nothing at all. I was breathless, you were speechless. Said it's fun to try to hear your voice. Started talking, kinda random. Said you're a shy boy, but such a fly boy.
You said it's you that makes me feel that way.
I'm like sometimes even I don't know what to say. I get a rush, more than a crush, almost love.
Almost
Make me feel high every time I think about us.